Right, Ian's been putting these pictures up of what he wants. He's bought himself a BMW for everyday use, but he wants to build one of these. What we found him is a TR6 unit construction, oil in frame, which is better for Ian because the bike sits taller and he's a big lad. It's on eBay, American import. Let's see if he's won it.
Hi. I'm currently looking at this. It's a Triumph TR6 650 and it's on eBay and it's got 2 minutes 30 seconds left. 27, 25, 24. It's got no bids. A little bit jittery. It's at 2,499. Tony, my man with knowledge, nice hair, Mr. Kelsey, says I shouldn't go over 3,000. I've been looking for something like this for quite a while. I wasn't even bothered about matching numbers, but it does have matching numbers. It's unregistered, it's from America, so there won't be much rot on it. It's oil in frame, which is totally big bonus. I literally have butterflies in my stomach. Okay, so I'm gonna put in £3,000. Oh, shall I do 310? Yeah, I'll put in 310. Tony's gonna kill me. Ha! Put in 315. Fuck him. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Submit bid. Right, so I'm gonna. Oh my god. Oh god. I love it and I hate it. We all do if you've bid for something on eBay before. So I'm gonna leave it for about 7 seconds to go and I'm gonna confirm it. There's nobody bidding, but is there another me somewhere else in the country that is just waiting to snatch this? The engine turns, there's no exhaust on it, so they've not had it fire up, and in the description it said it's quite grindy, so it's probably going to need a rebore, but I think I can take the hit on that. I'm quite nervous now. We're on 26 seconds, 25. Oh dear God. I mean, golly gosh. So let's see if I get it or not. Oh my God, I hope I get it. Oh my God. Right, so 11, 10. Press confirm. Have I got it? Have I got it? Have I got it? We're determining the winner. Please refresh the page. What does that mean? It's ended. Winning bid 24999. So have I got it? We're determining the winner. Please refresh the page. Look, it's won at 24999. Oh my God. So I'm going to refresh the page again. Have I got it? Have I got it? Commit to buy. Have I got it? Pay now. I've got it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've got a Triumph TR6 650 oil in frame. American import. Oh my God. So, what will now follow, because I'm doing a play and I think I'm up near Stafford quite soon on tour. I'm going to ask them. Oh my God, fantastic! I'm going to ask them if I can keep it there and then pick it up in my van and then take it back to Motorcycle Workshop in Bolney. Oh my God, I've got it. And then the tinkering will start. So, Yeah, so what will follow now will be in a couple of weeks or a couple of months. I'll have a look at what I need. I'm going to an auto jumble soon, so I know it needs the right hand switch gear. I think it needs a speedo. I need a little front lamp, rear lamp, and stuff like that. So here we go. Watch this space.
Well done, Ian, you won it. And at a low price, only bidder. So we can tick your first box. There we go. Job on.